Hello guys, it's me, Len. Welcome back to my channel. We live in a time where men are told to be emotionally open, but also strong and stable. Women are told they can have everything, but are also expected to do everything. And somehow, both sides are exhausted. So, here's the real question nobody wants to answer. Did we evolve past traditional gender roles, or did we just confuse them? Because if relationships are supposed to be more equal than ever, why are breakups, loneliness, and dating frustration at an all time high? By the end of this video, guys, you might realize the problem isn't men or women, it's the system, okay? That we're all trying to date inside. Traditional roles were clear, not necessarily fair, I know, but predictable. It's men should be a provider, protector, and emotional restraint, while women should be the caregiver, emotional core, and household stability. Relationships were structured around survival and stability. The social expectations were rigid, but simply clarity doesn't always mean fairness, but it does reduce the confusion. So, what are change in our modern society? I think freedom increased, yeah, but structure disappeared. Women entered the education and the workforce at equal levels. Men expected to be emotionally intelligent now. The dating apps move from traditional courtship to the rules of financial independence. It's changed the relationship dynamic. The social media created comparison, the culture. We remove the rules before we agreed on new ones. So, where the conflict really starts? Mm, People still expected old roles emotionally while living the modern lives. For example, okay, women want equality in career but emotionally leadership in relationships. Men want partnership but still expected to lead financially and emotionally. Okay, the confusion around dating expectation, what are we and what are the culture? So, who pays? Who leads? Who commit first? We said we want equality, right? But we never defined what equality looks like at 3 a.m. during an argument. Okay? What is the hidden problem in our society? It's not the gender roles, it's lack of alignment. People date because of the expectations, not because of the people. Social media exaggerates extreme emotional immaturity disguised as independence, fear of commitment, the fear of dependence. Most of the relationships don't fail because of love. I think most of the relationship they were failed because of the incompatibility. It's because of how do you define love? How do you define the role? And so, what actually works today and the flexible roles based on personality, not gender. Modern working model, whoever is better at emotional regulation, lead emotionally. Whoever is the stable financially, contribute more there. Not fixed, but shared responsibility instead of assigned identity. Healthy relationships today are not 50-50. It's 100-100. Both sides will give their 100%. Not because you are a man, not because you are a woman. It should be 100-100. Full effort, full commitment, full everything in the relationship. Gender roles cannot and don't disappear. They evolve. Um, the confusion comes when expectations evolve slower than society. Modern love requires communication and traditional more than traditional ever did. The goal is not equality of roles, okay? That's not our goal. But the real goal is the quality of respect, right? We want to be respected as a woman. Maybe the question was never whether the gender roles still make sense. Maybe the real question can be we finally talk honestly about what we actually really want. Like, guys, for you, what do you think the most hard today? Is it for men or is it for women? Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Something is happening in modern relationships. I don't know if it's me only who really observe about that, but nobody fully explain it. Men are emotionally aware than ever, but feel less respected. Women are more independent than ever, but feel more alone. We said we wanted equality in relationships, but nobody explained what that actually looks like in real life. And now, dating feels like a negotiation nobody prepared for. So, the real question is not whether gender roles still make sense. It's whether we replaced them with anything that actually works. Stay until the end because we'll break down why modern relationships feel unstable and what actually fixes them. Where our gender roles came from. For most human history, gender roles weren't debated. They were assigned by survival. Physical labor, division, safety and protection roles, child rearing structure, economic dependency system. Traditional roles weren't designed for happiness. They were designed for stability. A system built for survival will always feel restrictive in system built for freedom. Then something changed faster than relationship could adapt. Women entering education and then the workforce at scale. Men losing exclusive provider identity. The dating apps replacing traditional courtship. I want to tackle about the dating apps in the upcoming video. The dating apps replacing traditional courtship, social media redefining attraction. We didn't slowly evolve gender roles, we accelerated past them. The technology changed dating faster than emotional expectation could keep up. Emotional tension section. Here's where things get complicated. A man is told to be strong but vulnerable. A woman is told to be independent but also soft. Both are told, don't be controlling but take initiative. Everyone is expected to embody traits that used to belong to two different systems. Modern relationships don't fail because of lack of love. They fail because of unclear expectations. Humans don't actually want equality in every single area. We want balance that feels fair emotionally. Attachment styles, secure, avoidant, anxious, emotional labor, imbalance. Role expectation mismatch the provider mindset versus independence mindset. We're not just negotiating rules, we were negotiating emotional safety. Most relationship conflict is not about actions. What actually works today in our modern society is that practical modern model. What replaces traditional roles? Modern functioning relationships. Leadership situational, not gender based. Emotional maturity greater than the assigned role. Financial contribution based on the context, not identity. Communication replace the assumption. The healthiest couple today don't follow gender roles. They follow alignment rules. Equality doesn't mean sameness. It means mutual respect and shared responsibility. Why people still argue about that? If modern system is better, why is everyone unhappy? The reasons are nostalgia for simplicity, social media comparison, unclear personality identity, mixed cultural messaging, People don't miss old gender roles, they miss clarity. Gender roles evolve because society evolves. Confusion happens when expectations evolve unevenly. Most dating problems are expectation problems, not gender problems. Healthy relationship require communication, not assumptions. Maybe the real issue was never whether gender roles still make sense. Maybe the real issue is that we're trying to build modern love using old assumptions without ever clearly rewriting the rules together. And until we do that, we'll keep confusing independence with loneliness, and equality with emotional distance. The question isn't who is right anymore. It's whether we finally honest about what we actually really want. So guys, see you on the next video. Subscribe. Bye.